BricsCAD BIM makes it easy to quickly create intelligent BIM models directly from 3D mass models and 2D layouts for construction, quantification, constructability, and more. QuickDraw enables quick and intuitive drawing and construction of buildings and rooms. Walls and slabs can be made in a matter of a few clicks. Boundary Select allows you to take these walls and extrude them to a height quickly and easily. The Structure Browser makes it simple to view which elements are already classified, and BIMify lets you classify those that aren't in a matter of seconds. Propagate makes it easy to drive a consistent level of detail across your entire model. With BricsCAD BIM's AI tools, the path from 2D to 3D to BIM is easier, quicker, and more intuitive than ever.